Hello, welcome to my kitchen, and this is Yemi. On the menu in my house today is Edikaikong, and I'm going to be carrying along on how I cook my homemade Edikaikong. For this recipe, I'm going to be using spinach, collard greens, my proteins are meat, pomo, and fish. And I'm going to be using onion, habanero pepper, chicken bouillon powder, crayfish, and palm oil. So let's go to my stove. On my stove already, I have chicken that is already parboiled, which I'm going to be adding my habanero pepper and my diced onion. Then I add my pepper mix. I let it cook for like 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my spinach. I'm going to let it cook for like another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my fish, my stock fish, and I'm going to let it simmer for a minute. After simmering for 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to be adding my collard greens. Then my palm oil. This is going to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm adding my crayfish powder generously. This is what makes it taste good. Add it generously. I'm going to leave to cook for another 10 minutes. Then I taste for seasoning. We finally completed my Edikaikong. What are you going to serve yours with? It goes well with every kind of swallow. Are you serving with eba or amala or pounded yam or fufu? Anyhow, it's completed. If I may say, it's delectable and delicious. I want to say thank you all my old and new subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, follow, like, press the notification button or notification bell, share, and make comment, please. Let me know what I'm doing. Let me know if you will cook this recipe, and if you do, please tag me on all my social media. Like I said, in Yemizkitchen, we choose to see our cup half full. Choose happiness, choose gratitude. Happiness and gratitude is a choice, which we are choosing on Yemizkitchen. From my kitchen to yours, lots of love and hugs. Yemi's.